Nestled in the heart of Northamptonshire, Wellingborough is a town that effortlessly combines historic charm with contemporary vibrancy. Often overlooked in favour of its more famous neighbours, Wellingborough is a hidden gem that offers a rich tapestry of experiences, catering to history buffs, nature enthusiasts and culture seekers alike. Wellingborough's history is woven into the very fabric of its streets. Established as a market town in the 6th century, its historical significance is palpable. A walk through the town centre is like stepping back in time, with its quaint cobbled streets and well-preserved medieval buildings. The All Hallows Church, with its imposing spire and intricate stone carvings, stands as a testament to the town's ecclesiastical heritage. Inside, the serene ambience and the beautiful stained glass windows evoke a sense of reverence and timelessness. The town's market, operational since the 13th century, remains a bustling hub of activity. Every week, the market square transforms into a vibrant scene where traders sell everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. The market is not just a place to shop, but a social event where locals exchange news and visitors get a taste of Wellingborough's community spirit. Adding to the town's historic allure is the Wellingborough Museum. Housed in the erstwhile Dully's Baths, the museum is a treasure trove of artifacts that narrate the story of Wellingborough and its people, from Roman relics to memorabilia. From the shoe and leather industries that once flourished here, the exhibits offer a fascinating glimpse into the town's past. The museum also hosts interactive events and workshops, making it a dynamic space for learning and engagement. Wellingborough is not just about the past. It is a town that thrives in the present, with a keen eye on the future. The Castle Theatre is a cultural beacon, offering a diverse program of performances that include drama, dance, music, and comedy. This vibrant art scene is complemented by local galleries and craft shops, where artists and artisans showcase their work, reflecting the town's creative pulse. The town's culinary landscape is equally enticing. From cozy cafes to gourmet restaurants, Wellingborough offers a gastronomic journey that caters to all tastes. The Hind Hotel, a 17th century coaching inn, provides a charming setting for traditional British fare, while a variety of international restaurants add a global flavour to the town's dining options. For those who seek the solace of nature, Wellingborough does not disappoint. The town is surrounded by lush countryside, with numerous parks and green spaces offering respite from urban life. The Irchester Country Park is a local favourite, with its extensive woodlands, trails, and a fascinating quarry heritage centre. It's a perfect spot for hiking, picnicking, or simply soaking in the tranquility. The Nene Way, a scenic long-distance footpath, meanders through Wellingborough, offering picturesque views of the River Nene and the surrounding landscape. This trail is a testament to the town's commitment to preserving its natural beauty and providing recreational opportunities for residents and visitors alike. Wellingborough's community spirit is perhaps its most endearing quality. The town is home to a myriad of clubs, societies, and community groups, all of which contribute to a vibrant social fabric. Events like the Wellingborough Carnival and Party in the Park bring the community together in celebration, fostering a sense of belonging and shared joy. The town's strategic location, with excellent transport links to London and other major cities, makes it an attractive place for both businesses and residents. The ongoing regeneration projects aimed at revitalising the town centre and enhancing infrastructure reflect a forward-looking vision that balances growth with heritage preservation. Wellingborough is a town of delightful contrasts. It is a place where history and modernity coexist harmoniously, where the serenity of nature meets the vibrancy of community life. Whether you are exploring its historical landmarks, enjoying its cultural offerings, or simply basking in its warm hospitality, Wellingborough leaves an indelible mark on the heart. It is a town that invites discovery, celebrates diversity, and embodies the quintessential charm of Northamptonshire. The Hind Hotel in Wellingborough is a charming slice of history right in the heart of town. Its stunning 17th century architecture immediately catches the eye, and stepping inside feels like walking back in time. The rooms are cozy and well kept, blending modern comfort with classic charm. The staff are friendly and welcoming, adding to the hotel's warm, inviting atmosphere. The on-site restaurant serves hearty traditional dishes that perfectly complement the historic vibe. Whether you're staying overnight or just popping in for a meal, the Hind Hotel offers a delightful experience that's both relaxing and memorable. The Red Well in Wellingborough is a fascinating piece of natural and historical heritage. Tucked away on Somerford Road, this ancient spring has been flowing for centuries, offering a direct connection to the town's past. The water bubbling up from the ground feels like a reminder of simpler times, and the site itself has a quiet, unassuming charm. While it's a modest landmark, the Red Well holds a special place in local history, believed to have once provided healing waters. It's worth a visit for those who appreciate natural wonders and want to explore a lesser-known piece of Wellingborough's story. The Church of St. Mary the Virgin on Knox Road in Wellingborough is a stunning piece of local heritage. Its towering spire and intricate stonework are a testament to its rich history and architectural beauty. Inside, the serene atmosphere and beautiful stained glass windows create a perfect space for quiet reflection. The church is clearly well loved by the community, with a warm and welcoming feel. Whether you're visiting for a service, exploring its history, or simply admiring its craftsmanship, St. Mary's is a must-see for anyone in Wellingborough. Our Lady of the Sacred Heart on Knox Road in Wellingborough is a lovely and welcoming church that radiates a sense of peace and devotion. Its modest exterior belies the warmth and care you'll find inside. The interior is simple yet beautiful, offering a serene space for prayer and reflection. The community here is friendly and inviting, making it feel like a true spiritual home. Whether you're attending a service or just stopping by for a moment of quiet, Our Lady of the Sacred Heart is a place where faith and kindness come together beautifully.